Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury featured in shadow metallic with the jet black interior. Under the hood, there's a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, backup camera, power sunroof, a power liftgate, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker and liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. Hopping inside, to the left we have our power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left is our cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. And on the right we have our cluster and audio controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here's our navigation and map. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, we have our backup camera and surround vision. Just below that, we have our heated and vented front seats and climate control, some storage. Here we have our infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Storage up top as well as down below. Here we have our digital rear view mirror. Just above that, on surround SOS with 2 dome lights and our power sunroof. Here is the sunroof. And here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps and door handles with a chrome accent and keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. To open her up, all we gotta do is double click. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here. Lights on either side for added visibility. We also have some hidden storage down below. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose speakers, powered window, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear climate control, vents, and down the bottom 2 USB plugins. Up at the top, handles paired with the dome light matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. Get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.